Wow. It's better than new.
People want to see behind the scenes of Cranked Automotive. This is behind the scenes. राना क्या यार शूट चल रहा है यार, तो क्या खींच रहा है राना? सारी सिंगल लड़कियों के लिए अपने दिल थाम के बैठ जाएगी। ये है हमारा राना। स्माइल देखो, राना की स्माइल। सारी लड़कियाँ इस पे, और इसने आज वैसे हेयर कट करा के अबे कान से बहुत ज़्यादा काट दिया उन्होंने यार, ये देख। अबे कान से यहाँ काटते हैं, इतना काट दिया उन्होंने। अरे बेचारा राना डेट पे जाएगा। हाँ मैं पार्टी दूंगा और राना डेट पे जाएगा। 1000 कमेंट्स कमेंट सेक्शन। फक यार। Hi and welcome. I hope all of you all are doing well. Welcome back to another video. Today we have with us, we have the Jeep Compass Model S. So the S here indicates the Jeep Model S, and we've done another Jeep Model S before. We've done a white color one. I honestly really like it in this color. Insides of both the cars are obviously the same. I really like this carbon finish that you've got on the dashboard. Looks really nice, and I like what they've done with the interiors. This looks perfect. You've got an entire digital instrument console, which is huge. For all the people who had seen my 2019 Jeep Compass review, yeah, if you haven't seen it, the link is here. You can have a look at that. Quite a controversial video because at that point in time the Jeep Compass wasn't really offering a lot of value for money, but I think they've done a good job with this Jeep Compass. Pricing could have been a little more competitive, but I think they've done a really good job in terms of offering the luxury quotient to this Jeep Compass. Yeah, as you can see, the car has come for a ceramic graphite coating, and the car is about a month old. Because the daily washing that we have, you can see all the hard water marks which are there everywhere. So we're going to be removing all of that, all the hard water marks. It's everywhere on this car. As you can see, the hard water and dirt stuck literally everywhere in the car. All the logos have been badly hit by water marks and dirt, so that's something we need to definitely work on. Apart from that, now the interior is going to get completely sanitized and clean, polished. Everything is going to be done. I think it's a good feature that Jeep's given the button here rather than giving it on top. The short people might not be able to reach the top. We're going to be doing foam cleaning in the entire interior, and we're going to be polishing it out. We're going to be polishing and ceramic coating these surfaces as well. Steps that we're going to be starting off with is the decontamination wash and the claying. Claying needs to be done to clear all the contamination which comes in from the manufacturer as well. तो वो अभी पहले करते हैं. You can see the condition of the car. It's not really very clean right now. So we're going to be polishing out all the piano black as well, as you can see. So the interior is going to have a lot of work done on it. Everything is going to be cleaned and polished. Yep, every single thing is what we look into, even the slightest of the marks on the mirror as well. So now we're going to start the interior cleaning process as well. People want to see behind the scenes of Cranked Automotive. They say we never the scenes of Cranked Automotive. What is behind the scenes? This is behind the scenes. Rana, क्या यार शूट चल रहा है यार, तो क्या खींच रहा है? राना सारी सिंगल लड़कियों के लिए अपने दिल थाम के बैठ जाएगी। ये है हमारा राना। स्माइल देखो, राना की स्माइल। सारी लड़कियाँ इस पे, और इसने आज वैसे हेयर कट करा के हेयर कट करा के हमारा लौंडा आज स्माइल किधर रह रही थी। अबे कान से बहुत ज़्यादा काट दिया उन्होंने यार, ये देख। अबे कान से यहाँ काटते हैं, इतना काट दिया उन्होंने। अरे बेचारा। सारी लड़कियाँ कमेंट करके बताए कमेंट सेक्शन में हमारा राना कैसा लगा आपको। अगर आपने 1000 कमेंट छोड़ा तो राना डेट पे जाएगा। हाँ मैं पार्टी दूंगा और राना डेट पे जाएगा। 1000 कमेंट्स कमेंट सेक्शन कर दीजिए। So guys, the next process that we're going to be doing is the off the car before we start the entire buffing. So this is the masking tape that we put on to kind of protect the rubber beadings out there, so that when the machine runs, it doesn't really spoil the beadings. Otherwise, it could get white and it could kind of ruin the finish of all your rubber parts. So the entire beadings have been covered. Fortunately, the cladding on this car is painted, so we don't really need to cover this with any masking tape. So that is done. So in order to remove all the scratches from the paint, we have to do our buffing process, because only once we've done that, we can really start the ceramic process. we removed all the scratches from the paint, so it pretty much looks pretty much like this. You get the mirror finish on it, and all the scratches have been taken off from it. Only once all the scratches and contamination have been removed from the paint is when we can kind of get the surface prepared for the ceramic coating, and that's what we're going to be doing the next step. Shine कैसा है? Comment करके बताओ shine कैसा लगा. This is the mirror finish, by the way, on the paint. This is the mirror finish that we've got. I think it looks pretty damn nice. अभी हम देखते हैं, हमें राना का चेहरा भी दिख रहा है. Just look at the gloss on the bonnet of the car. This is the mirror finish I'm talking about. और ये देखें, हमें राना का चेहरा भी क्लियरली दिख रहा है इसमें mirror finish में. राना ज़रा लड़कियों को स्माइल करके दिखाइए प्लीज़ आप. Finally getting the surface ready for the ceramic coating. So what we have to do before that is to use the IP solution to kind of clear off all the oils which are there in the polish and the compounding stage. So we have to pretty much clean off the paint before we can start the ceramic process. So I'm going to show you that. This is the ceramic coating that we're putting onto the paint. As you can see, these fine layers, that is the ceramic coating on the paint, which is that. It kind of bonds, it takes a little time to bond to the paint, and then we do the UV curing as well. We're finally done with the car, and the car is covered up and ready, and Sir's come to collect the car. So we're going to be doing an uncovering. And what do you think, how does the car look? Since you haven't seen it till now, what do you think? How is the finish going to be?
Wow. It's better than new. I think.
Feel like you're taking a delivery now.
Actually, you know, I mean, when I took the delivery, of course, it was nice, but this is like much more gloss, much more mirrory look. And it looks beautiful. I think amazing. I'm impressed.
The color really stands out. I think this
It stands out. Yeah, exactly. And that's what I was wanting to see, right? I mean, all these days, but now the look has come out.
So
Thank you so
I
much.
hope to the crank it finish.
It is perfect job, man. Ankit and team, wonderful job. Thank you so much. Loved it. If I could give more than 5.
Thank you so much.